Good morning to all the students of class first year and class intermediate. Today I am teaching you grammar portion and that is common for first year and intermediate. Yesterday I taught you to change affirmative sentences into negative sentences. And today we shall teach you the sentences negative to change into affirmative. So that is the common topic for first year and second year students, intermediate, and the topic is grammar or transformation. In transformation, one sentence is changed into different sentences, and today we have to change negative sentences into affirmative sentences. But you should remember that the sense should not be changed. The sense should be remain the same. As yesterday I told you also, for this, in this topic also, we need to use opposite words or fail. Where opposite is not used, failed word is used. So you should remember it carefully, that whenever you change sentence into other sentence, the sense should not be changed. It should remain the same. For example, I do not like tea, I dislike tea. It is negative sentence and affirmative will be I dislike tea. The sense is the same. Means I does not like tea, I do not like tea, so I dislike tea. It means I do not like tea. Of this sentence also, this is the meaning, this is the sense. Mukesh did not run fast. We have used it here. Opposite of fast is slow. So Mukesh ran slow. It is in past indefinite because it was a negative sentence. That's why did was used. When we make it into affirmative sentence, there is no need of not, and that's why D will be omitted. Sentence will be Mukesh ran slow. You are not my enemy. Opposite of enemy is friend. So you are my friend. Not has been removed and opposite word has been used here. Reena is not busy student. Reena is a lazy student. Here also we have used opposite. Opposite of busy is lazy. That's why it will be Reena is a lazy student. You have not given him rupees 200. You have failed to give him rupees 200. Here we have not used opposite words. That's why we have used here failed. The sense is the same as you have not given him 20 rupees. This sentence also gives the same sense. You have failed to give him rupees 200. So you have not given him rupees 200. You have failed to give him rupees 200. The sense, both of them are giving the same sense. She has not failed in the examination. So she has passed in the examination. The food you ate was not tasty. Opposite of tasty will be tasteless. So the sentence will be in affirmative. The food you ate was tasteless. The food you ate was tasteless. Means the food you ate was not tasty. The two sentences give the same meaning, that the food was not tasty. The gate is not closed. The gate is open. Closed, of this word opposite will be opened. That's why the negative sentence, affirmative sentence will be the gate is opened. We should not hate the poor. Opposite of hate, will be poor. So we shall make this sentence. We should love the poor. We should not hate the poor. We should love the poor. The sense remains the same as it is given in this sentence. That sense is also given in this sentence. We should love the poor. The room is not vacant. Opposite of vacant will be occupied. The room is occupied. The room is occupied. The man was not gentle. Opposite of gentle will be rude or uncivilized. The man was not gentle. Its affirmative will be the man was rude. In this way we have seen that we have changed the affirmative sentences, negative sentences into affirmative sentences, and the sense is never changed. It remains the same. That's why you are required to learn the antonyms or opposites very carefully, and then you can solve this topic. So now you for practice, you can do the one exercise, first exercise of the topic that will be written in the exercise in the grammar book. Change the negative sentences into affirmative sentence. Open that chapter from the grammar book and solve one exercise in your homework copy. Open the copy, take out your pen and start to do writing, start to do the homework. That's all. Thank you very much.